Godot 4.0 Beta 2 has been released, and I'm going to be testing how it's going because Beta 1 was incredibly slow. It took ages to open a project or just to open Godot 4. Sometimes it crashed, so let's test if in this second beta there are some improvements. So now let's start. What you have to do to install this version of Godot is to go to the official website godotengine.org. Then you are going to scroll down until it says here dev snapshot Godot 4.0 beta 2. You are going to click here. Well, this is the article where it says, for example, the features, the changes, for example here the exporting custom resources, some things related to file and directory, and well, a lot of things. But what we want to do here is to download this beta 2. So here we can jump to the downloads section, and then here the download for this dev snapshot can be found directly on our repository. You can either download the standard version with GD script and GD extension, or this version with C#, GD script and GD extension. So in this video I'm going to be testing the standard build. So now we have the index of this beta 2, and here I'm going to click in which says Godot version 4.0 beta 2 Windows 64.x.zip, because this is my Windows version. And now I'm just going to wait until these things download. Once you have unzipped this WinRAR file, you are going to have this Godot beta2.x and this other file. So now I will open Godot beta 2 and we will see how much time it takes. So let's double click it, and it's taking a while. Well, it finally loads. We have, this is the same interface. I think it's exactly the same one as in beta 1. Here it says, as you can check, beta 2. So now I'm just going to create a new project. Maybe let's name it, for example, Godot 4 beta 2. I'm going to create a new folder in my documents, and here in the renderer it's quite different because here in beta 1 we could choose between Vulkan or something like that. I don't remember. But let's just leave the default renderer forward plus, and let's just click on create an edit. It's pretty slow, yes. Okay, here we have 2D, 3D, script, assets library as well, and this is quite similar to beta 1, I think. So first of all, I would like just to create a 2D scene. Name this node, for example, Godot 4 beta 2, and then we can what's this button? I think this button is new. I think you can search for nodes, or well, I don't know. But first of all, let's create a script. A template. What's this? No default object empty. I would like to create an empty script. So let's create, yes, this is an empty script. We also have here some ref counted base class for reference counted objects. I don't know what that is. Let's just call the ready function, and inside here, for example, let's put print and a message, for example, subscribe. Okay, so yes, you should subscribe to the channel. Okay, and yes, now when we play, let's subscribe. This subscribe message appears, and I think this it's not laggy. I think maybe it takes a second because, for example, if you see this icon, it takes a second or like that to load this icon and to load the game, but it's faster than beta 1, that's for sure. We also have this button here. Let's just click it, and a class node to the so maybe this is because, for example, if I call here the process, this arrow would also appear. I don't really know. Process delta, let's put pass. Yes, maybe because it's for example, ready and process are functions from like built-in functions, but if I create a new function, for example, move, that arrow shouldn't appear. Okay, yes, perfect. I would like to try this filter node. I don't know if this if this is a new option, because I don't remember this, but this is quite simple. Because, for example, if we would have here some other nodes, for example, I don't know, let's add just a node and name it, I don't know, subscribe. You should subscribe right now, yes. And I filtered the node, for example, GODOT 4, yes, and subscribe. Okay, that's nice. I don't remember if this feature was added in beta 1 or if it was already in GODOT 3. I don't remember. I realized that it's not laggy. It's not laggy at all. Well, this is an empty project, obviously, so there aren't a lot of things. There's just 2 nodes, one script with a couple lines of code. So maybe in a complete project, in a huge project, well, maybe yes, there are lots of lag. Maybe you could get your game broken by GODOT. As beta 1, the user interface is incredible. I really like it. For example, the project settings. I really like all these things. And there are animations. For example, here if I press close, animation. If I press project settings, animation. I really like that thing. And here I think the options are exactly the same one. And I think there's other theme. Yes, we have, for example, breeze dark. What's this? Okay, it's restarting GODOT. I don't know if it crashes, so no, it crashed, I think. Okay, I am opening again. And let's see if the theme changed, or I think it's different, right? It should be different. Yes, I don't like this theme. And here is there are the same themes here. GODOT 2, gray light, solarized dark. Yes, for example, if I press. Okay, yes, it takes a while to change the theme. So yes, it's quite like I like the default theme, but as you can see, it takes a while to change. It takes a while. You can load a new theme and color theme. Oh, you can have other themes for the text editor. So for example, here I can select this is the default version that I think is different to GODOT 3. Yes, it's different. So maybe if I select GODOT 2, okay, yes, I have the GODOT 2, but as I said before, the default theme it's better than any other theme, I think. Appearance, no, I think this is all yes, this should be exactly the same as it used to be, but you have here the version control, because I think GODOT made some kind of association with Git and GitHub. I don't really remember. but yes, it's quite similar to beta 1. The only thing I noticed what that wasn't in beta 1 was this arrow that, well, it's not too useful. But this filter nodes, I will check if it was in beta 1 because I don't really remember. I will just download the first beta of GODOT 4. That should be I can't find it where it is. Okay, so yes, here it is, standard build. And okay, it's loading, and I'm going to download the Windows 64. Okay, and I will check if that filter node option existed in beta 1. Okay, I've just opened beta 1. I'm going to enter this project that I've created before with this beta. Okay, here, no, this filter node exists in beta 1. I'm just I was just a bit confused, but yes, beta 1 and beta 2 are quite similar, and I'm going to check if I had some other themes. Yes, I had some other themes. So I would say that it's probably the same version but with small bug fixes. But anyway, you can check all the features of GODOT 4.0 beta 2 in this article, okay? Anyway, I am not going to test a lot of things, for example, the physics or things that are too much complicated. I'm just testing the general things of GODOT 4. But the thing I really like is the user interface. It's a really good difference with GODOT 3. Subscribe for more GODOT 4 news. See you on the next video, and bye bye.